As we work to continue improving reading in middle school and high school, we're sharing how to teach vocabulary in a meaningful way. We're going to use orthographic mapping again. So remember, kids learn to spell through the sound and letter correspondence. Memorizing doesn't teach kids how to spell, pronounce the word, or remember its meaning. So once again, we have another social studies word that we're using from the grade 6 curriculum. And this word is provincial. So we ask the kids once again to repeat that word with us, provincial. We make sure everybody can pronounce that word correctly. Now, we're not going to do this with every word that we teach on our list, but we're hoping that you do it with some of these words. This one is a great word to start with because there's a pattern that we can talk about in this word. So what we'll do is we're going to ask our kids to hear all the sounds in the word. So provincial. Vin, pro, p, o, in, shul, sh, o. So I hear the sh and the l. So how many sounds do I hear? R, o, v, I, n. Maybe they hear a sh, o. So I hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sounds. How many letters do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 letters. So now we're going to ask the kids to put these letters where they belong. So we'll talk about, we hear the P, we hear the R. Remember, this is our sound, our letter correspondence. Pro, o, it's saying its own name. V, shul, sh, o. That may be what our kids are hearing. We know that this is actually the correct spelling of the word, cial. Something interesting with that is cial and tial have the same sound, shul. Shul, that's what they hear. There's a rule for this. When you teach them provincial, maybe we teach it as one sound that they're hearing, one group, and we say this one is going to be C-I-A-L. And the reason for that is usually because when you have the C-I-A-L, it's because there's a vowel there, and that's why you use the C-I-A-L. But provincial is an exemption from that. But we have to remember that the root word here, it's coming from province. And province has the E. So that is where we get the C-I-A-L. For T-I-A-L, usually there is a consonant before the T.